People, welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, as I've said before, even though Halloween gone, it's going to be a spooky Christmas, right? And it seems everybody is getting in on the act. Because right now, or just recently, none other than Michael Leachin, the current chairman of the Economic Growth Council, decided that he was going to go on the attack. Now, people, I know a lot of people in their lifetime would have probably never even heard Michael Leachin speak. Don't even know what his voice sound like. He's just one of those names that you've been hearing forever. You know, when you grow up in Jamaica, you hear these last names of these very wealthy people. You know, Leachin, Azan, Matalan. Just a few of the names. You keep hearing them. But it's very rare you see or hear these people. Well, Michael Leachin, as I said, was given the job of the chairman of the Economic Growth Council. And he got the job in about 2016. And it seems that him can't take it no more because he's come out and launched an attack on some people who are, well, you can only describe as political tribalists, people who I speak about all the time. But I'm going to let you listen to Leachin, right? And then I'm going to get back to you and I'm going to carry on. I'm going to pick up where Leachin left off. So listen up, people.
Sabotage, not the gross retardant. In speaking to hundreds of public service employees, I am told that there are elements within the bureaucracy that does not want to see growth because it is felt that anything positive would help the existing government. This is sad, as some of us would rather put political loyalty ahead of country loyalty. As I said earlier, we need to put Jamaica first, all of us. Let me be perfectly clear. In a corporation, the person responsible for implementation is the CEO. In governments, the person responsible for implementation of policies are the permanent secretaries. Accountability is what makes plans work. In corporations, if a business plan is not executed, the CEO is fired. In governments, if policies are not implemented in a timely basis, no one is fired. Until we fix this lack of accountability issue in the public sector, we'll continue to not to achieve our desired goals.
People, it look like the Chinese side of Leachin come out because the man come out a swing kick, left, right and center. Now, I'm going to be honest. When I first heard this, I thought to myself, then I wonder who are getting in the way of one of Leachin's big financial projects. I'm going to be honest, that was the first thing come to my mind. I thought, something must be a black Leachin from America big money why him come out and talk like this. Because I actually forgot he actually had an official role as the chairman of the Economic Growth Council, right? And let's be honest, most of the people at this level, you don't hear nothing from them unless it directly affects their pockets, right? Because as I said in my in various videos, certain people in Jamaica are immune to Jamaica's problems. They're living in a bubble, right? So a lot of the things that people bawl about every day and every night, it just don't affect them. So therefore you hardly hear anything from them, especially Leachin, who spend a lot of his time in Canada. But people, let's be honest here. What Leachin is saying isn't anything that hasn't been said by, I guess you could say, regular quote-unquote Jamaicans, right? I've said it on this channel many times, but I am not delusional enough to think that the words that I speak on my YouTube channel has the same effect as when Leachin says it. I'm not delusional, right? Let's be honest, people. Some people word carry more weight than others. It's like if I say that they can play basketball and then LeBron James or Michael Jordan come out and say that they can play basketball, people are going to take LeBron's words serious, more serious than mine. People are going to take Jordan's word more serious than mine because they're seen as an authority on the subject. So Leachin is seen as an authority when it comes on to, I guess, money and financial business and economic business. That's just the reality of the situation, right? Now, here's the thing, people. What is he saying? Well, basically, there are people in Jamaica, right, full up in the public sector who care more about their party than they do their country. My subscribers would have heard me say this many times. But hold on, people. Before you say, yeah, sir, people, we know that long time. We don't even know why it's Leachin I said this. We know this. Hold on. These people are so pivotal towards Jamaica's economic prosperity, right? Because they can either hinder or allow certain people and certain things to go through, to the point where I've decided to give them a name. You know who I love to give out the various names, the 87s, the 90s, the 116s, the kerosinals. I'm going to give these people a name. These public sector people. I'm going to call them the PSPs. Public Sector Pirates. Now let me tell you all about the public sector pirates people. These people, a lot of them get to the top of various branches in government, right? All over the public sector, not because they are the best and the brightest, but because they are loyalists to the various political parties or to certain politicians, right? They are not promoted and rewarded for their minds, for their ideas, for their successes. They are promoted and rewarded because once them in a power and once their party is in power, the party can then use them to further their interests. Now, hold on, people. I'm going to take it even further. What you have to understand is this. Bureaucracy and red tape is a serious problem in Jamaica. Especially if you are an ordinary citizen who don't come from a very wealthy and powerful background. Right? Now, the PSPs can affect the lives of the, let's say, 99% of Jamaicans. But there is a 1%. Jamaica's 1% are immune to the PSPs, which is why I was surprised when Leachin come out. Now, somebody like Leachin is not affected by the PSPs, right? Somebody like Azan, your Matalans, these people, your Boot Stewards, these people are not affected by PSPs. Just like, for example, you see when Azan go to St. Catherine, go build the plot of land and people that do sand mining and Azan just run them off. People, you have to understand this. When you're trying to do certain business in Jamaica, if anyone has ever tried like going and getting a piece of land and go to the government and say, no, sir, I want to invest in this piece of land, I want to do some farming, people, paperwork with mud you. If anybody is listening to my channel right now who's ever tried to attempt to do any kind of major infrastructure work in Jamaica, please go in the comment section and tell people just how difficult it is. The red tape and the bureaucracy is terrible. Now, when you're dealing with these people, right, the PSPs, you have to wonder to yourself, do these people want Jamaica to have jobs? Do these people want Jamaica to develop? Because they do everything in their power to stop you, right? And one of the reasons why they're trying to stop you is because they want it to happen when their party or their politician is in power. So then the shine and the glory can reflect on them. Because that's how politicians work. See, how politicians work, is when the people put in the work and the people dig the soil and plant the yam, right, and water the yam and add the fertilizer. When the yam start grow, the politician then turns up and take be a picture and go and let them do something, right? But these PSPs want this to happen. They want this video light to happen and this glory to happen when their party is in power. So they will delay and delay and delay, right? Depending on who is in power. So it's true leeching attack. These PSPs are some of the worst people when it comes down to anything to do with growth. I'm telling you people, if you've ever tried to do anything with these people, it will turn your mind off completely. I know people who fly down, right? I'm talking about Jamaicans. Fly down with money. Fly down with a team. Ready to invest, right? And sake of these PSPs, them jump back on a plane and go back off foreign. Right? But the reason why I say people like Leachin and Azan and these people are immune to the PSPs is because their words heavy like lead. Right? So they will do this to me and you, people. They will kill you with red tape and kill you with paperwork and tell us you need signature from 500 JPs and 200 doctors right? To the point that by the time you're done, you spend all the money and kiss your teeth and nothing to get done. However, at leaching level, one phone call. If your last name is Matalan, one phone call. Stuart, one phone call, right? So, to be honest, we need more people at this level, at leaching level, to come out and call out these people. Because when me and you said, people treat like, oh, here we go again. Here them just a ball and complain. I saw them good for ball and complain. Right? But when them hear people at this level say it, maybe they take it more serious. Maybe. Right? And for those of you who don't know, Michael Leachin is the man who owns a number of major companies in Jamaica. He's the man who owns NCB Bank, CVM. What else Leachin have? I think he's also the man behind. I don't know if he still owns Flow, but he used to have ownership in Flow, the Trident Hotel in Portland. Right. So again, and he's one of Jamaica's few real billionaires. Right. A lot of these families that people love hype up in Jamaica, they're not really that wealthy. They just have a big name from a long time. But Leachin is one of the few Jamaicans who is actually like real time big boy billionaire. Right. So if he's saying this, it's because he's on the inside and he must see things that we can't see. Right? Now again, he could have a motive behind it. Wouldn't surprise me. But just the fact that somebody like this is coming out and saying things what the people have been saying for years and what people have been bawling about for years, hopefully it might inspire some change. I wouldn't get my hopes up, but hey, at least the conversation is started. Right? So there you have it, people. Let me know what you think. Right? Do you think a full time now people like Leachin start talk about this? Or do you think because it look like something a bun Leachin pocket and because things now work out or him want it, that's why I'm come out? Let me know what I want, people. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.